Dave knows how.
All right, so it's Saturday. Started on this, I think it was Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Wednesday, some of the parts came in, like the charge port, the new screen, but the back didn't come. And yeah, I broke the back. Can't find it, but here it is. But when I was taking the back off, I broke it. It's just cracked a little bit, but I thought, you know what? If I order a new screen, a new back, it'll have new adhesive on it. You know, and it'll be new. So I ordered it, but it didn't get here till Friday. It was late last night. So I got these books sitting on top of it. So I'm gonna buy Machine Shop Practice and the Jeweler's Manual books that I do a little bedtime reading. So anyway, have had that sitting on there on top of there to try to. Boy, don't that look nice? Wow, look at that. That is crazy cool. Look at those. Look how bright and nice that screen is. I'm not going to know how to act. And yeah, it's Pop's little angel. Yep. There's Pop's little princess. She's a mess. So yeah, it's on. I mean, it seems to be working. I'm able to make phone calls and everything. Got a new back on it. I haven't pulled the protective film off the back yet, but yeah. Wow, look at that. Isn't that nice? That is nice. Look at that. Let's see. I guess I need to make sure the camera's working. So that's the back camera, front camera. That seems to be working. Yep. Yep. Seems like it's working. So I'm happy. I'm happy with that. All the buttons seem to be working. Yeah. So anyway, you know, this is not something that I guess, you know, I've told a couple people what I was doing and they was like, you're crazy. You know, you're too old to be trying to work on new technology. You're just, you know, whatever. But you see, I'm not from this planet. I keep telling y'all that. I'm not from this planet, obviously, because I can't even wrap my head around what these people on this planet do. You give me a headache. You give me a headache. Anyhow, got it done, fixed. Got to get it back in the case. I'm going to try to order a new case. I don't even know though. This is an old S9. May not even be any available. But I'll see what I can find. I glued this one back together meantime so that I can at least get it back into something to protect it, because I'm forever dropping these things. But I think what messed this screen up was putting this in my pocket with my keys and then bending over, and the key, I think the key went right through the screen. Anyway, got to learn not to do that.
Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.